Hi, this is Christina with WTI. Have you been searching for the perfect tumbler but just haven't found it yet? Well, here is the Stanley Quencher insulated tumbler in 30 ounce. And I love this tumbler because it actually sticks to its word. It really does keep your beverage hot or cold because it's double wall vacuum insulated. So it will keep the beverage, whether you have coffee in here or just want ice cold water, it will keep it that temp for hours. And it really works well for me too because it fits perfect in my cup holder. I also noticed that because of the handles and the straw, I actually use it a lot more than any of the other tumblers or mugs that I have. I just feel like the convenience of the handle and the straw together make it so easy to actually use it, constantly refill it, and keep it in my car. And I love that in a tumbler. I love something easy and convenient. Who doesn't? But I also love the color. I think this really pretty orchid color is just so cute. But I also love that it comes in a lot of other options as well. And I could go on and on about this tumbler. It is a great, good quality tumbler. So if you are looking for something that just sticks to its word, keeps your beverage hot or cold for hours, really easy to use, I think you'll love this tumbler, but that's just my point of view.